Want to make some extra earning? Today, I'll show you how to earn money with easy video edits using Filmora. Let's jump in. Go to New Project. Upload your video that you want to edit. If you want to cut any part from the video, use Split. Now you can find many editing options to edit your project, such as audio, text, animation, style, and much more. Here is the Add Text and Captions feature. This is most widely used feature of Filmora, as this application provides very unique caption styles which professionals use to edit their videos, and these are just one-click options. You can even change the color of text from Style tab. Don't forget to explore other tabs. For detailed guidance over editing captions, refer to my other videos given in Filmora editing playlist. Now go to the Audio tab and add music either from the Filmora music library or extract from your videos. That's the basic editing. Explore other tutorials to learn detailed editing videos. Now that you have got your video, move towards your money-making strategy. Put yourself to Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, or any freelancing platform to offer your video editing services. Filmora is offering pro features such as auto cuts, text-to-video, super cool transitions, effects, and much more. By using Filmora Go features, you will be able to edit YouTube videos, wedding videos, social media reels, short and long-form videos, and start earning easily from $5 to $40 per hour. For more advanced creators, Filmora has powerful tools like color grading, motion tracking, and split-screen effects. These features give your content that professional touch without the steep learning curve. With Filmora, you can apply over 800 effects, filters, and overlays to customize your content. From cinematic filters to creative transitions, these features can turn a simple video into something dynamic and engaging. Want to add motion to your static elements? The keyframe animation feature lets you create smooth, customized animations to control the movement of elements within your video. This adds a level of personalization and depth to your projects. Suppose you want to give animation effects to this part of the video. Remove background from the overlay. Place 2 keyframes at some gap on the main track and its overlay. Now from the second keyframe, move the clips downwards. From the second keyframe of main track video, reduce opacity to 0. This is how the clip would appear.
Ads are a couple of...
So now you know how you can start your journey of becoming professional creator and earn hefty amount. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're excited to start earning with Filmora.